Ladies and gentlemen, in the spirit of transparency, openness, and accountability of public resources, and as custodians on behalf of the people of Kenya, I am indeed very delighted to have the great honor to receive the dummy check representing the total proceeds of the Kenya Pipeline Company Limited initial public offer deposited in the National Infrastructure Fund account. Today's ceremonial exercise marks the official close of the KPC IPO and marks a significant milestone in operationalization of the National Infrastructure Fund. At its core, it speaks to how the government prudently manages public assets, how it finances development in an era of constrained fiscal space, and how constitutional oversight is exercised in practice. The National Infrastructure Fund shall be our key vehicle of innovatively financing commercially viable infrastructure investment by unlocking large-scale private sector capital to fund national priorities while reducing borrowing and taxation.
From the onset, the Privatization Authority was tasked with serving as the primary agent for the privatization of Kenya Pipeline Company through an IPO in which the government of Kenya sold 100.8 billion shares in Kenya Pipeline, representing 65% of its shareholding in KPC to investors.
The current privatization program is still on. However, we have faced challenges that when we go to the market, it's as if Kenyans believe that government assets should be sold so low. So we do our evaluation, we go to the market, the bids we get are below our reserve price. So that has affected us seriously, and you saw it even when we went out with the price for the KPC IPO. It was said to have been overvalued, but it was not overvalued. People believe government assets should be taken for free, and we are not willing to give them out for free. That has slowed down our processes.